Today it's Rucky Zucky Kitchen again. A little series that we will be airing every Sunday now. And today I'm making my favorite dish. Shrimp and tomato sauce with fine pasta. Eight to 12 shrimp there. They come with shells. That's really important to me, but they are already here. It's called easy peel, and the best part is the gut is already removed. More ingredients. 400 ml of crushed tomatoes. Then we have plenty of olive oil. Chili flakes, here they are. 150 grams of cherry tomatoes. 3 cloves of garlic. A vegetable onion. Celery. And aren't they beautiful? My favorite pasta? Since everything should go quickly, we're starting with the shrimp today. And first, I'm going to take the shell off the shrimp. As I said, they are already clean. You can check them again? Yes, but they are really great. So we're taking the shell off because we want to use it right away. Because most chefs throw the shells away. And I always think it's such a waste because they bring us so much flavor. And you'll see right away what I'm going to do with it. First, we add our olive oil to the pan, and in this olive oil, I'm frying my shrimp. Shells on? And don't be afraid. I don't want to eat those at all. But I want the flavor of the shrimp from these shells in my oil. That will enhance the flavor of my entire meal later. And while the shrimp shells are frying in the oil in the pan, can I go ahead and slice the garlic like this? And I also cut the onion into small pieces. So, as you can clearly and vividly observe, look at how the color is gradually and beautifully changing here. Our beautiful and delicious shrimp have now taken on that typical red color. And the question is, of course, why don't I leave the shrimp shells on the shrimp? It's quite simple, that's why. I have the flavor in my oil now, and I won't need to peel my shrimp later when I want to eat them. The flavor is there, but I still have a light meal because I have peeled shrimp. They've done their job. And into the hot pan, I'm first adding my garlic because it needs to sizzle for a bit. Look, everything is happening really fast. Don't let it burn, but you can already imagine. Here with this shrimp-flavored oil, that's really something. It doesn't get any better than this. It smells great, and it gets a very light color. What are we going to do about it? That it doesn't burn? Exactly, we're adding our onions now because they bring so much moisture with them that the garlic can't burn anymore. And we're also adding our chili flakes in there right away because we want some power in our pan. That looks really, really good. While this is simmering here, we can already sprinkle a bit of salt on here. This way the onions get a little wet on their own and sweat in their own juice. This is really quick and easy cooking. Speaking of quick and easy cooking, my water is just starting to boil. We can already add our pasta in there because they take quite a while here. They take up to 15 minutes until they're al dente. But we still have a bit of time here with our base. And when the onions look like this, we add our shrimp. Oh, it's making my mouth water. And we're going to saute them right here. And they also give us an incredible flavor in our sauce. It's high time we cut the celery. And the celery, which I've of course washed, I'm just cutting it into small pieces. It will bring us the freshness in our sauce that we don't have yet. Well, you out there, isn't your mouth watering already? We don't want to overcook these shrimp. Now we're adding our celery. And we're sauteing that as well. And what's still missing here are the cherry tomatoes and the pureed tomatoes. Just cut the cherry tomatoes in half. Then they'll cook faster. Just saute them briefly. And at the end, we're adding our tomatoes, specifically the pureed ones. Let's bring that to a boil, and we're just waiting for the pasta. And our pasta is, of course, done now. And we're letting them drain a little. We're going to add the pasta directly into our shrimp pan with the tomato sauce. And we just stir everything through one more time. It's an incredibly delicious ruki-zuki recipe. It's really good, and it's so quick, you should definitely try it. Who likes that? Thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. And I wish you all a lot of fun recreating it. Bye, you lovely people. Subscribe now to my channel, Cooking Lessons, to not miss an episode, and let's discover the world of cooking together. You'll see, it's easier than you think.